stop scrolling. If your cat makes this noise, you need to pay attention. Real quick, hit that subscribe button so you never miss another cat alert. All right, let's talk about that strange sound your cat makes. You know, the one that's like a mix of a tiny engine and a gremlin on Wi-Fi? Yeah, that one. If your cat is making a rapid chirping or chattering sound, they're not glitching. They're actually locked onto something they can't catch, usually a bird or a bug. It's their instinct kicking in, like target spotted, rage activated. Now, if your cat lets out a deep growl or a long, low moan, that's not drama. It's a warning. They're saying, back up, human. Personal space, please. Respect the fluff. And if it's a sharp, loud yowl out of nowhere, that's your cat's way of calling for attention, like a furry roommate demanding rent in snacks. Every sound your cat makes has meaning, so don't ignore them. Pay attention, stay educated, and treat your cat with love. See you in the next video.